Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Log in YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Axis Bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for online Axis Bank login in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on your screen where you need to click on it, and you'll be redirected to official page of online Axis Bank where you can see login option at left side of your screen. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to official login page of Axis Bank, where it is asking us for our login ID or customer ID and our password. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credentials is done, click to login and you'll be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your customer ID or login ID, you can simply click on forgot customer ID on the screen. And for password, you can simply click on forgot password and complete the formalities and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into Axis Bank, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.